Your life is going to change the day you started to such a radical degree. Your life is going to be night and day, whoever does this. And as the days tick by and the months go by, the savings mount. I should have, like, Walmart has on their app, it's like, you save this much over time. It's like, I should have that for people, man, be up to millions of dollars. Like, I'd be well into millions for many clients.
Under McDonald's sign, it says billions and billions served. So you can have millions and millions saved.
Oh my God, like that, everybody comes, oh my God, the IRA, this used to be, I didn't advertise or anything. I was running this thing by myself practically. And people would just come here on fire with the greatest problems, like, yeah, does this actually work? The IRS is suing me, blah, blah, blah.
Yeah.
And I sorted all that out.